Hi, in this video I will show how to use TCX to Excel conversion tool. This is my website, I will leave link to description. Download app, I will double click on the download button and wait until file will be downloaded, then click on downloaded archive. When it opens, double click on MSI, click on more info. I'm getting this message because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. Click on run anyway. Click on next, install. Click on yes, finish. Now you can see there is a new shortcut on my desktop. I can close this and this. Double click on shortcut. Its conversion is a 3-step process. The first step, I have to select TCX file. Let's go ahead and select TCX file. This one. Click on next. Click on next step, and to run conversion, just click on run. Then I will select name of Excel file and folder when it will be saved. Let's use this one. And just click on save and file will be saved. Let's go ahead and open this file. And you can see that file contains all data specified into TCX file, including time, latitude, longitude, altitude, and other data from TCX file. Basically that's it. Thank you.